Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an article that I ran across here, and this is fxstreet.com. Basically what it says is Triumph of the Bitcoin Maximalist, and I want to talk with you a little bit about this. So obviously Bitcoin is the granddaddy. Everybody knows that, and I believe it is gold 2.0. But I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist, guys, and I'm going to tell you the reason here. Let me know if you agree down low or disagree or what your thoughts are. But in my opinion, Bitcoin will continue to run up like it's doing to a point. And then once it looks as though Bitcoin's overextended, then smart investors will be moving their profits from Bitcoin into the depressed altcoins. Ethereum's not going to go away. And in my opinion, Ethereum's not going to be around $200 forever. You know, guys, that's typically what happens. So say all the money's pushed into Bitcoin, it has a really good run, we go up there, test $20,000 or whatnot. Once we start seeing key resistance areas and turning points in Bitcoin, that's when a lot of that money, I believe, will be funneled back into the altcoins. And with Bitcoin up around 70% dominance right now, it's crazy, guys. And smart investors, in my opinion, will start looking at other options, things that are depressed like an Ethereum or a Litecoin or some of these other coins that will have true value. Am I saying that all coins are going to exist and continue on? No, guys. There's many poop coins out there. It is what it is, and a lot of them, they're just going to disappear and they'll never pump again. But for the select few altcoins that really still have a use case and really are still moving forward, I believe that we will continue to see money down the road pumped back into those, and there's going to be another alt season. I don't believe that it's only Bitcoin, and I'm not your financial advisor, but in my opinion, we've seen this before. Bitcoin pumps extremely hard. Everyone says it's all about Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden you start seeing money transfer from Bitcoin into these altcoins. So it's just something that I wanted to pay attention to, and I wanted to give you a few points in this article here. So if you like these guys, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you just want to hear my thoughts on it. Remember, guys, I could be completely wrong and only Bitcoin survives, and that is what it is, but I just see it as smart investors see it, that there could be great opportunities with extremely depressed altcoins after Bitcoin's already had massive runs and had huge price gains. So that's just something I want to keep my eye on. It says Bitcoin's price consolidating near $12,000, unable to develop its growth and update the June highs at $14,000. However, the benchmark cryptocurrency grew by 93% over the last 3 months. So think about that alone, guys, almost 100% in 3 months. I mean, that's crazy. The BTC Dominance Index for the same period grew by 21 percentage points, has crossed 69%. This process continues, and the market participants pay less and less attention to altcoins. Experts believe that several alternative cryptocurrencies will become standalone blockchains. Example, Ethereum ceasing to be considered as altcoins, while the overwhelming majority of cryptocurrencies will simply disappear due to meaningless. And guys, I'm sure we have bags of coins that'll never pump again, and that is what it is, but you really want to get into some very good coins. I mean, you're looking at Zcash right now, just to give you an example. Just in my opinion, Zcash is like $56 right now, and that's been a coin that still has use case, and it's been almost as high as $1,000 before. So that's definitely something I want to keep my eye on in the future, just something that I'm looking at. At the time, the difficulty of mining the cheap, by historical standards, anonymous Zcash cryptocurrency remains near historical highs, which indicates that miners do not turn off their ASICs and therefore may survive and expect the demand to return. It is worth noting that the computational network power is one of the few physical measures fundamental factors for cryptocurrencies. Similar statements can be made about other alternative cryptocurrencies, which have been dismayed by investors over the past 6 months. Litecoin LTC didn't have widely accepted price spike, hammered another nail in the altcoin coffin. However, if we remember the buying strategy at the bottom, when nobody believes in the market prospects, the owners of the altcoins can still expect a pleasant surprise. All market participants have long accepted the purely speculative nature of the Bitcoin price dynamics. So what prevents a similar scenario at a certain point in time to play around the altcoins? And just in my opinion, guys, like I said, this is just my opinion, but I just feel like when everyone starts turning from people who were altcoin maximalists basically to, hey, and now I'm a Bitcoin maximalist, I kind of see the tide starting to change a little bit. And it seems like when everyone will get to that Bitcoin maximalist tide, then the altcoins could be pumping. So it's just something that I wanted to put on your radar. It's something that I'm looking at. If there's coins that are still doing really well, guys, and they're so depressed right now, maybe that's the time to just start dollar cost averaging in and just, really look for a long-term hold or a long-term investment. So that's what I wanted to bring you all. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bells.